Welcome to the Uniarch How to Video series. In this episode, we will be talking about UHO S2 series PT cameras adding instruction. In this video, we will be talking about its basic operations, how to register Uniarch account, how to add camera by scanning QR code, how to add camera by inputting QR code number, and how to add camera by importing QR code picture. To begin with, we need to download the Uniarch app. The app can be downloaded from Google Play and Apple App Store or via the web link attached. Hit the Login Sign Up option and go for signing up to register the account. Select the location and input your email address. Agree to terms and conditions. Then tap Verify. The code will be soon sent to your mailbox. Input the verification code and tap Next. Create the password for the account. Now we got the account registered successfully. Uniarch S2 PT camera can be added to network in 3 ways. Scan the QR code, input QR code number, and import QR code picture. We will go first with scanning QR code. Tap the Device Add button on the main page. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. The QR code is located on the right side of the device's bottom side. Tap the OK button. 3 ways can be used for network connection. We are here taking the Wi-Fi connection as the example. And tap Next. You can have it renamed as needed. Choose the Wi-Fi and enter the password. Make sure your mobile phone and camera are connected to the same network. This PT camera supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5 GHz cannot be connected to. You can connect the device to network manually. To connect, place the mobile phone right in front of the camera to get camera read QR code. Alternatively, you can use automatic connection. Using automatic connections, you might experience issues like long response time. You can tap the Cancel button. And here comes the troubleshooting instruction. If it still doesn't work, tap the diagnosis option in below. If the problem still cannot be resolved, press the reset button on the device until you hear the resetting sound, and then reconnect the device to the network. If the device still cannot connect to the network, please contact our technical support team. If necessary, configure daylight saving time. The device is now online. You can also add the device by inputting the QR code. The register code is the QR code number. It can be found on the device's bottom side or the instruction book's cover. Input the picture with QR code also works for device connection.